In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up two WhatsApp on the same smartphone. Now, there are three methods that you can do that, and I'll take you through each and every method that you can use to set up two separate WhatsApp. Some of the methods will involve having two WhatsApp applications on your smartphone, and the other method will involve having one WhatsApp application on your smartphone, but the same WhatsApp will have two accounts. So if you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. It really helps me. My name is Isaac and this is A Minute with AI. Now, in the first method, let me show you how you can use one WhatsApp but set up two accounts on the same WhatsApp. Now, to do that, all you need to do is to tap on your WhatsApp, and my WhatsApp account is here. So I'll just tap on it, and then from here, tap on this more option, three dots here, and then tap on settings. Now here you can see my account that I'm currently using. To set up another account on the same WhatsApp application, just tap on plus. And then you can see my first account here, and we have an option to add account. So I'll go ahead and tap add account. And this will take me to a new page where I have just to agree on the terms and condition. So I'll go ahead and enter my new WhatsApp number. And here it is, and then tap on next. And then WhatsApp will go ahead and verify the number. So at this case, you must make sure that the SIM card is inserted in your smartphone. So I'll tap to confirm the number is correct, and then I'll tap to continue to verify the number. The number has been verified. Now you can go ahead and now set up your profile, and then tap on next. Then decide whether you want to include an email or not. So for my case, I'll skip. And here it is done. So we have a new fresh WhatsApp that I can now start interacting with. Look at that. So that is a new WhatsApp account. And you can as well go ahead and set up your profile, add the profile picture under settings, and so many other things that you can do. So you can go ahead and add your profile picture here. So what happens if you want to switch between the accounts now? So if you want to switch between the two accounts, all you need to do is to tap on these three dots, the more option dots here. And then you will see the option switch accounts. Now, if you tap on this, it will switch back automatically to your previous WhatsApp account. And here it is. If I again want to switch to the new one, I'll still do the same and tap on switch, and it will switch. So by using this method, you will have two accounts using the same application. And now here you can start chatting with your WhatsApp contact immediately. Great. So that was the first method of adding a new WhatsApp account on your smartphone. Now let me show you the second method. Now in the second method, we can use the dual option method, where we shall have two WhatsApp applications that are similar but containing different profiles. Now this can easily be done on Android smartphone or an iPhone. For this tutorial, I'm using an Android smartphone, but this option is also available on iPhones. So all you need to do is to go to settings and open it. Now under this settings, scroll down and look for the option called apps. And here's my apps option. Tap on it to open. Down here we have an option called dual apps. So this allows you to create double apps of the same type. So this is the name on Android smartphone, and more specifically, I'm using Redmi Note 10. So it should be the same on your smartphone as well. If I tap on dual app, I'll have an option to go ahead and create, and you can see the create option is here. Just tap on it to proceed. Then you have to choose the app you want to create a dual app. And for my case, I want to create a dual WhatsApp app. So I'll tap on WhatsApp and then toggle this dual apps option on. And then I'll have to confirm that I want to turn on this option. And you're told that creating dual apps requires working with Google services. Create a dual app for Google services. So I'll go ahead and tap on turn on. And the process of splitting the apps has begun. And now it has been created. So if we go back to our apps, we should be able to find two WhatsApp apps on this smartphone. So I'll go ahead and go back and then see. So let's see if we have separate WhatsApp app on this smartphone. And here we go. You can see the first one is here, the original one. If I open it, you realize it was my initial WhatsApp. And now we have another one here. You can see it has this badge. If I go ahead, I can open it and then now begin creating the account. Here we go. And I can begin the process of setting it up. So you can go ahead and set up now this account, select the language, enter the phone number, and it will be good to go. So that's the second method of creating a second WhatsApp on your smartphone. Now the third and the last method is downloading WhatsApp business app. For this, go to Play Store and then tap on search and look for WhatsApp business. And you can see we have WhatsApp business app is here. Go ahead and install it on your smartphone. And once it's done, it will go ahead and install. So once you install it, go ahead and open. And now proceed, agree to the terms and condition, and then set up your second WhatsApp, either using your same number or you can use a different number. And here you'll have to go ahead and add your number to proceed. Now this WhatsApp business is best for business. If you want to create a business account that is separate from your personal account, this is the best option for you to go by. So that's how you create a second WhatsApp on your smartphone. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Let's meet in the next video.